you the way that the user accepts a transaction from the backend service and continues with the payment um, of the transaction. So I'm gonna send a request to the backend service and to make sure that the transaction is created, so the user receives the information, the notification. And as you can see, we have received the notification. We open it and we go into the detail of the transaction. We can accept it or reject it. Let's accept it. We select the payment method. When we accept it, we get that the transaction is now active. Yes, we can see the transaction here, and let's do the same but with the completed state of the transaction. So let's say that the user is leaving the parking lot now, and he receives a notification, as you can see, and telling that the transaction is complete and the time of the transaction, the cost, and now the transaction is completed. I'm from group 6 and I'm gonna show you the functionality and the offline local storage functionality for the Parks application. So this is the home screen. Basically, it's just Google Maps with a list of places of parking lots. You can get into the parking lot and see the details, some pictures, and let's create an account. So just put the name, the phone number, an email, password. So we have already created an account, and the main pages are the settings where you can find the vehicles and the payment methods of the user and the transactions. And right now we don't have any transactions, so that's you can create vehicles. Yes, and I'm gonna create a transaction from to the backend service. And I'm gonna close the application so you can see that you should have a new notification, and when we tap it we go into the details of the transaction, and there we can accept or reject the transaction. We accept since we don't have any payment methods, we have to create it. So let's do it. and we once we go into accept the transaction, we can select the payment method and then accept, and then as you can see the transaction is now active, and when we go into transactions we can see the new transaction. Right, so for the offline functionality, let's go into airplane mode, and right now the application showed us this and when we tap on it, it says that we don't have any pending requests. So these are the requests when the user makes them offline. So for example, if we create a new vehicle, the application tells us that the vehicle will be created once the transaction is the connection is recorded, and we can see the requests that are pending. If we put delete all, basically all the transactions are deleted, the pending transactions. And if we go into, we can see that right now the icon doesn't appear anymore, and we'll have to wait until we actually can make additions to the internet. And now we see that the not saved indication doesn't appear, and the information tells us that we're able to the petition executed correctly. So we can activate the different vehicles. We can delete them. And for the payment method, the same. It's create and delete. And right now, I'm gonna show you how the transaction is completed. So I'm gonna make a request to the backend service. I'm gonna close the application here. Hi, I'd like to show you the connectivity, the information that we persist in for the user. So we have the transactions here. It's just a list of transactions. You can filter it and go into the detail. The settings, we can see the vehicles, the payment methods, and the parkings. You can see a list of the parkings. We can go into the details of the parkings. And let's go out of the internet connection, and as you can see the user can see the icon or telling that there is no connectivity. And if we close the application, we open it again, and the information is still there. The vehicles, the payment method, the transactions, and as well as the parkings. See, you can see. And if you go into connectivity, just the application works as expected.